Rehabilitation with liner dimension DN50. For the inversion of the liner dimension DN50, an inversion drum and various small parts are required. First, the retaining cord prepared with the knot is placed in the impregnated liner. This is then folded up and taped to protect the foil. Cable ties are attached in front of and behind the retaining cord knot. Cable ties are attached to tether knots. Protruding strands are pinched off, and then the sharp edges are wrapped with duct tape. Now the liner can be wrapped in the inversion drum. When you arrive at the inversion nozzle, the liner is slipped over it and fixed with duct tape and clamps. For the rehabilitation process, the pressure is set first. The liner can thus be inverted into the main line. It will then be milled off there later.